Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm the Fluffy Chef.
And I'm the Boulder Chef.
What are we gonna make today?
Today we're gonna make some falafel, but the right way.
Yeah, so why we are making falafel though?
So basically for me, I hate the falafel that they make here. It's just so bad. It doesn't taste so good. And
It's not a real falafel!
It's so expensive.
And it's not a real falafel!
And it's not a real falafel.
Oh my god. And honestly, this is what convinced us to start a YouTube channel to show you the real Mediterranean food, because what y'all eating out there, at least what we have tried, it's not a real Mediterranean food. And besides, there's a lot of benefit of the Mediterranean food, as everyone is talking about it these days.
So, what are those benefits?
Oh my god, it's healthy. That's what it is. Yeah. So that's why we want to show you this. It's not 100% healthy, but it is actually better than a lot of diets, because okay, so why it is healthy? Because it has a lot of vegetables and a lot of, it's a plant-based diet. Besides, there is some meat, there is some stuff, but still it's healthier than other diets. Anyhow, so
let's get cranking.
Yep, let's do it. Can you introduce the ingredients, please?
Absolutely. So first of all, of course, this is a falafel. So spoiler alert, it's gonna start with chickpeas. So the chickpeas.
I'm so excited.
I'm super excited. And super hungry.
Oh, yeah.
So chickpeas, you could buy it dried, and what you need to do first is to soak it in water. As you can see here, I have it in a lot of water. This has been soaked for almost 24 hours.
But you can soak it for 15 hours.
Absolutely,
okay?
yeah, absolutely. So basically, it's just overnight. So you can just put it the night before. You don't need to put it in a fridge or anything. Just put it on the counter, and after that, you wake up in the morning. You go to work if you're going to work, or weekends. You just wake up, prepare your kitchen, and boom, you have it ready. So
cool.
Other ingredients, of course, we have our baking powder. Now, baking powder is very important for this recipe. We will talk about that later, but we need about 2 tablespoons. So I usually use 1 tablespoon per pound for this one. I do have 2 pounds in here, so the ingredients will be in the description box below. Also, for us, we do like it to go fancy all the way. For Mediterranean cuisines, usually they use a lot of sesame seeds. Now, we do love sesame. It gives it that rich taste. It gives it that a lot of crunch in the falafel, and we do love it with it. So basically, this is an optional choice. You could basically use it or don't. If you don't like it, just check with a shrink, because sesame seeds are really good. And also we need some garlic. Basically I do have 5 cloves in here. You could go optional, you could just remove it, but it just give it a really good taste.
If you like it, put more. If you don't, just don't put anything.
Absolutely.
If you like powdered garlic, that's fine. They can put garlic powder.
Yeah, so you could use garlic powder. Yeah, you could use garlic powder. I do love the fresh one. Now, if you think that is gonna be too garlicky, trust me, it's not gonna feel in there. So all you're gonna feel is basically the real taste of the falafel. Okay. But again, this is optional. Last thing is the spices. Now, we do have 4 kind of spices right here. The first one, of course, is the black pepper. We have cumin, we have white pepper, and we do have coriander.
Excuse me, Can I ask you a question?
Absolutely, go ahead.
Okay, why do you have 1 tablespoon for cumin? What is the scientific?
All right, so I don't know
the philosophy behind it.
So I don't know the scientific action behind it, but actually I do know it makes a little bit of the gas action. You will have less gas action in this one.
Yeah, so you don't want to break up with your girlfriend, boyfriend, or
absolutely.
Maybe you're gonna kick your kids out of your house because of the falafel. So try 100%. 1 tablespoon of cumin.
So I do recommend to have a tablespoon. It's for taste. but it's very, very important with any kind of beans actually. So even you can find it in Mexican food, they do have a lot of cumin in their food because they use a lot of beans, and that's what it does. So, and of course, the ingredients are in the description box below.
And the reason why the white pepper is like too much or like more than others, because it gives the falafel a very good taste. So you're not gonna regret this.
Absolutely.
Just try it.
Oh, we forgot one last ingredient.
Yes, don't do this. It's the most important one.
1 onion. There we go. We do have a little bit of water. That the water is gonna make it a little bit like it's not dry. So when we fry it, it will actually react with the baking powder.
So, what about the baking powder? It is kind of weird that you use baking powder to your falafel. We're not baking.
Good question. So what we're gonna do is like this, when we added it to the falafel, it will make it a little bit like thick and big, and what will happen, it will expand a little bit and it will make the oil goes inside of it and try to cook it from the inside, which I do love.
Oh my goodness.
You're not gonna regret it.
Oh my goodness.
All right,
can't wait for this. Yes.
Shall we start the process?
Yep.
Cool.
Cool.
All right, so now as you can see, I'm cutting the onion into cubes and also setting up my grinder at the same time. Now, you can obviously use any type of food processor to get the job done. For this one, I'm going with the meat grinder with a coarse grind plate. Why, you may ask, is because I want to get a good coarse grind chickpea. And I found that it would be an ideal pick for grinding, especially for falafel. The more fine you go, the more dense the falafel will be, and it will become very dry when you fry it. So now you could add your onions to the grinder and also the garlic, just to grind everything together. Add your spices. Salt, your sesame, and then mix everything together. And after you've finished mixing, now is the time to go to the fryer. So now, as you can see, I'm molding the falafel. I have my wok ready, filled with vegetable oil, and you need to have the temperature of the oil between 325 to 350, and that's the ultimate temperature for having a good and crispy falafel. After it's done and golden brown, you could take them out, drain them, and add them to your salad.
Okay guys, so for some of you, if you don't like to eat the falafel with salad, you want to wrap it with bread, pita bread, or whatever you want, you can definitely do that. I get the falafel, I put it here. You can break it into half. After you put the falafel here, you can use any dressing, sauce you want, tzatziki sauce, whatever you want. But what I really do prefer is it is a sauce, but it's also with pickled mango. And it has like a lot of spices, rich with the flavor, and it goes very, very, very well with the falafel. You can find this at any international food market or Indian market or Mediterranean market. The brand name is Ship. I'll put some salad in here. And if you like tzatziki sauce, that's definitely fine. Oops. Guys, my mouth is melting. It's amazing. Okay, and then then you just wrap it this way. Ta-da! Oh my god. Smells so good, looks so good. It's amazing.
Amazing. How long it took us to make that? Like 45 minutes, like from
with
start to
everything, with the salad, with the wrapping,
even
like,
with the recording.
Even with the recording, 45 minutes. Guys, I just want to tell you something before we start commenting on everything. We make this once a month, okay? Maybe like, but the point is we make it a lot, we enjoy it a lot, and we decided to film this today because we don't want to keep this for ourselves. We don't want to do this. We want to share these ingredients with you. We want to give you the motivation so you can make it yourself, and instead of paying a lot of money, okay, just buying falafel, like one wrap for $8 or $7 or $6, still too much. Still too much. Besides, you know what is in there. You know what oil you use. You know what kind of lettuce you use.
Agreed.
Right?
Totally
so
agreed.
please guys, if you wanna support us to continue making these kind of videos and giving you these ingredients and the motivation to make this delicious and clean, healthy food. Not 100% healthy because of the other stuff, oil maybe, I don't really like it, but anyhow, it's healthier. I promise you, it's way healthier than you buy it from somewhere that you don't know.
It's made in your house, and it was really simple. You saw all the steps from prepping to making it to deep frying it. It's so simple. Like, you could see how much we made out of that batch. 2 pounds. 2 pounds, only 2 pounds. We didn't use a lot of fancy ingredients.
By the way, that's not all the falafel. We have like
we have a lot over
tons
there.
over there. And we're gonna keep it.
We're gonna enjoy it.
We're gonna freeze, like put it in the fridge, and we're gonna use it, or like we're gonna fry it anytime we want it.
So guys, please, if you have any suggestion, put it in the comments down below. Let us know. Try it out and let us know how it tastes. If it tastes so good, give us a thumbs up. If it tastes bad, also give us a thumbs up. I got you. So please try it out.
Okay, let me tell you something. It's been a year since we started this commitment that we cook by ourselves, we use clean ingredients. True. We are not gonna tell you how much improvement we saw in our health and beside in our budget. So this is like, I just want to let you know that it's been a year since we were doing this.
All right, cool. So you guys don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and try this. And also, I want you to hear something before you guys go. Now that's a falafel.
Woo! Nice. Can I try this? Okay, let's dip it. Cheers.
Oh my god, this is so good.